I don't know about you, but when I was a kid, sometimes I'd get so bored, I'd just start digging through boxes of the family junk. One Saturday, I came across this black case, and inside was a pistol-looking thing that my mom said was a Super 8 movie camera. Incredibly, there was an unexposed cartridge of film inside. My buddy Christian and I went out and shot a cop and robber flick in the backyard. We paid $16 to get it developed, and all I got was this, which wasn't about to fit in a VCR. That's when my stepdad chimed in. "If you want to make movies, just use my video camera." Oh, okay. What followed were years and years worth of god-awful productions, war epics, animations, horror films, even a ripoff of your favorite archaeologist. It wasn't until much later that I realized finding that old camera wasn't just some random occurrence. It was a fateful moment that set the course of my life. My name is Matt Koval, and I'm a filmmaker.